Hi, in this video I'll show you how to add a payment method to your WhatsApp API account. To add a payment method to your WhatsApp Business API, search for Facebook for Business in Google. Here click on the first link, which is business.facebook.com. I'll share the link in the description. Click on this first link. Here click on the settings in the bottom left sidebar. Click on the setting options. Now select the business portfolio where you have connected your WhatsApp Business API. This is the portfolio where I have connected the WhatsApp Business API. So I'll click this. Here click on the WhatsApp Accounts tab. Click on this WhatsApp account tab. Here we need to select the WhatsApp API account where we need to add a payment method. So this is our WhatsApp API accounts. Click on the payment settings in the bottom here. This will redirect us to the Facebook billing and payment section for the WhatsApp API. Or if you are using Sandesh AI, a WhatsApp automation platform, as your WhatsApp API partner, here after setting up the WhatsApp API in Sandesh AI, just click on this add payment method button and you will be redirected to the same payment setup page in the Facebook Business Manager. Here let's first edit the business info. This step is required. Click on this edit button here. Let me quickly add the business info here. Here you need to enter your basic business details. If your business is based in India, make sure to enter your GST number here. This is required, not optional. Without it, you won't be able to send a template messages on WhatsApp. If you don't have a GST number yet, you can use one from a family members or a known business. Let me quickly fill all these information. After entering the business information, click on this save button here. Next, we need to add a payment method by clicking on this add payment method button here. Let me quickly add one. Once you add the payment method, click on the three dot here and select set as default. This is important step, so make sure to do it. In my case, this option is not showing, which means it's already set as default, so you can leave it as it is. Now we have successfully added the payment method in the WhatsApp API account. If we go back to the Sandesh AI and refresh this page, you can see that the payment method has been successfully added. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.